Okay, I'm back. So I ended up cutting this piece, and I did a fancy thing on the bottom with one of my dies. I'll show you. I don't know if I showed you how to do that, but let's see if I can find a die big enough that it'll go through. Probably won't go through this one, but you'll get the idea. So what you do is you take your die and you slide your good side facing up into the die, positioning it where you want it on the bottom, obviously. Now this clearly is the wrong size, but you get the drift. Then when you put it in your machine, you run it only to here. You don't want to keep going or it will impress in your paper. And then you've got a fancy bottom. It's pretty simple, but obviously the paper has to fit properly. So I went ahead and I inked it, and then I'm just positioning it onto the page here so that when I flip this over, I'll know where I want it. Now, because on this side, I want this pocket, so I went ahead and I found some of this ribbon in my stash, and it's wired ribbon, so I just I cut what I need and then pull the wire out. Easy to do. And then just went ahead and glued some of the other trim on there. So this is going to go here as a pocket. I can probably just go ahead and do that. This will be a shorter video, you guys. I wanted to do a short one as well so that I can flip it and see if I still get kind of not a great quality video. If it's fairly good, then I'm going to go with that it's the joining part of it that kind of messes things up for me. So when I do the long videos, it's not all one go, it's several videos and then they're joined together because my camera will only record 30 minutes at a time. And so therefore it's a few videos, and then I put it in some software and the software joins the videos. But I don't know, every time I do it, I don't seem to get a very nice quality anymore. And like, I have HD camera, so it should be great, but not been happy. Okay, so then what I want to do is put this, where's the other one? This one has to go about there. I want it about there at the bottom. So that works for me. I can move that up just a hair. Okay, but I don't want it glued to the top of this because then it's hard to get things in and out of the pocket. I want it to flip from the very top. So in order to do that, I've decided to use that note paper. I'm just going to go ahead and reposition this again. So about there. Maybe I'll go down a little bit farther. Yeah. And then over a little bit. I know, super picky, right? Okay, so I want it there. Then the note paper, I cut the bottom. I'm going to ink the edge. I'll probably go back and do some more sparkle or something, maybe some stickles. I don't know, we'll see. And then Let me think now. I'm going to open this up and glue it at the top. I was going to do like I did on the other one, but I don't think it'll work for how I want to attach it. So I'm just going to glue the pages together. Okay. Oh. And now I want, oh, you know what? It really will work. I'm going to do it. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is take this off. I'm going to glue this along the top. And then I'll kind of center that a little bit. Like so. Oh, for heaven's sakes, dropping that thing. Okay, now. Excellent. And ribbon, where did I put it? Ah, here it is. So I want the tie about that long. So I need 2 pieces. Now I want it to come up, so this way. Up. Yeah, I want it on that side. All right, now this side will show too, so I want to make sure I get that right. And I want to pull it just enough that when I glue it, it's going to reach the edge there. Like that. Okay. do the same on this side. Okay, turn that over and make sure. Okay. Pull that a little bit. Because this is going to show, so you want it to look nice. All right. And then we're just going to tie it. Now this is where I would add a little drop of glue. Oh, I'm not left-handed. I don't know what I did there. There we go. Get that little guy in the hole. There we go. Just push him down a little bit. Oops. There. Okay. All right, that part's done. Now, I want this part over the pocket. So I need to position this again. And I want it out right about there. So now you're not going to glue it on the other side, you're going to glue it on this side. I'm going to put some glue here. I'm going to make a side pocket. And some down here. And then down here. Lay that down. Okay, let's open that up. So because you've attached these two together, gluing this side is enough, and then that allows you to completely open this up. And this is glued down, this part here. So you've got your pocket here, like that. Put something pretty in there. I like this. This is pretty. I don't know, it might be too big. Oh no, it's perfect. Awesome. Okay. And then you've got your notepad on the side. But you also have, hang on, I got stuff. Okay. There you go. That might stick out too far. I might have to use something else, but you get the drift. Okay, then this goes over top of that. And where do I want it? I think level with that part. Yeah. Okay, so that guy's gonna go approximately there. And this guy's going to go round about there. Well, it might hang down a little bit, but that is kind of pretty too. I might adjust it. We'll see. Once it gets sewn in, it'll probably move anyway. Okay. Yeah, so you got this. And then a tuck here, which, a couple tags in there. And then your notepad with the side tuck. It might have to be one of these. That works. And then your flip up and your pocket there. Okay, so that's it. I've got to stop it here and go have some, I guess it's brunch now. Okay, thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.